How to reduce the size of an iPhone image. Have you ever wanted to reduce the size of the picture on your phone and save space that way? Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, we will take as an example a picture that is in my gallery. As you can see, the image takes up 2.7 MB of space. We want to reduce it. To do that, we have to download an application called Compress Photos and Pictures. The application is free and you can download it from the App Store. When the application is downloaded, open it. When the application is opened, all the albums you have on your phone will appear. Select the image you want to resize. Once you have selected it, tap on the next button located in the upper right corner of the screen. On the next screen, you can choose which quality you want to keep. As you change the value on the slider, the application will tell you what quality it will be. Another option is the option where we can change the dimensions. We will leave it as it is. When you've compressed everything to your liking, simply tap the compress button. Wait for the process to complete. When the processing is finished, tap the button Delete Original if you want to delete it, or keep one original if you want to save the original. I will select Delete Original. If you open the gallery now, you will find the same image. You can see that the size is now reduced. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.